Hi guys, as you can see, I did not break my promise. I'm playing I Am Cat. Oh, choose location. Of course, it's the house. I will, after I record all of my I am games, then I'll actually do the full potential of the game. But now we are just doing time pass. So, what do I gotta do? Hmm. Yeah, I'm also gonna play Taxi VR next time. Really, guys. I'm gonna jump. Yeah, I can climb. Mm-hmm. Oh man, can I jumping? Let me jumping? Let me jump. Oh man. Whee! The floor is lava. Wait, wait, wait a minute. Oh yeah, that would be perfect. Hi grandma. Hi grandma. Hi grandma. Just a big jump. Oh yeah, it was a big jump. Oh, it was a big jump. It was a big jump. Hey guys. Okay, I'll just climb. Guys, I absolutely hate ads, but you know what I do. New, done. No, I'm gaming. Yeah, such a good ways. What would happen if something happened to it? Oh no, let's just keep it down. Wee! Hey, let me climb. Oh, what a good ways. What would have happened to somebody? Oh, broke it. Yeah. Actress, actress. Girl can barely even make it. I'm just asking. You know, I know. Oh, what's happening? A painting. No, no, no. Told you. You need Nani. Dito. Dito. We can take it up. Wait. Oh, such an awesome way. What would happen if somebody broke it? Oh. Guys, I actually love glitch, so shout out to glitch. Hey, grandma, I didn't do it. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. No, 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 no. I didn't. I didn't. Shit. Alright, it was a close one. I just gotta make a big jump. Whee! Oh, awesome and lovely was. What happened if somebody would have thrown it? Oh no, grandma. I was just minding my own business. Over here. I don't know what happened over there. Yeah, totally. Totally. I don't know what happened over there. So don't ask me. Hi, Grandma. Hi, hi, hi. I still walking so slow. Let me just. Oh nah. Oh nah, that is such a close call. Yeah. What would have happened? Somebody threw this. Oh no, Grandma, it wasn't me. Oh, you're hotel. I don't care whatever you say. That. No, I will never care. No. Wait. I have an idea. Let Grandma go to the kitchen. It'll take an hour. Like I swear, it'll take an hour. One hour later. Bro, she barely even moved 10 steps. Okay, I don't care. I'm going for it. Oh, such awesome bass. Nothing happening my favorite grandma. Ew. It's so red. The smell, I swear. You're going to for me. Die. Die. You're getting fun for me. And just get out. Get out like a loser. I wish I would have a VR set. I would have just played the real deal for you guys. But in order for me to get a VR headset, I first gotta make some money. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe on this video. Please, somebody at least watch it. Even views will work. If you don't subscribe, it will work. I don't care. At least give me some views. Wow. Okay. Bleh. Bleh. What's that sound? I don't care. Bleh. Ooh. Bleh. Me. Yeah, give me. Oh, 5 books. Perfect. Yeah, good. You laugh. You laugh. You do nothing except laugh. Boom! Old lady, stop sleeping! I don't care. I got 7 fishy. With 10 moles in 45 seconds. Okay, let's see what the moles are. You don't tell me that how they are. So, okay. That seems fun. I don't care. Come on, I'm already playing that game. The next one's gonna be blue. Next one's gonna be blue. Green. Red. Why is this dude calling me? In case to break something or get sleeping in there. Sadness is not a sin, okay. Eh? Oh my god, I hate this! Die! 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 Meow, meow, meow. I am sleepy. I am gonna sleep. Good morning, your favorite Glenn. You're shaping the house with your juicy sticky. I don't care. Sticky. Top shelf of the refrigerator. Oh, that's fun. That's fun. Top shelf of the refrigerator. Jump. Let me jump. Oh, why can't I jump? Oh, yeah. Jump and then jump. Oh! Jump and then let me jump. Yay, I get 8 fishies. 9 and 5. One. Ooh. Another one. 2. 3. 2. Meow, meow. Meow. Meow, meow. Meow. Oh, that's not funny.
Get Simply Dry. Start drying for the holidays.
Just going to give away. Baby. Wait, what? What's Squidward's house? Squidward, can I come in? Can I come in? Please, please, I want to eat some of your fishies. Wait! Why can't I go up? Wait! Ayo. Oh, good. Oh, I just play with the basketball. Okay, so jump! Flew this lava! I am getting up that high. Meow, 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 meow. Ooh. Found one. Which mice? Which mice? Which mice? Oh. Wait, which mice though? 30 seconds. What is this catching the mice in 30 seconds? Where even are the mice? What even are mice? No, not I know what mice are, but where are they in the game? Don't tell me I have to do this. You know what, guys? This is actually the end of the video. And don't forget to subscribe. So, bye bye. I'm just kidding. I'm playing I am bored. Come on, let's go. Meow. Wait, why am I doing that? There's a bird in me. How you are what? No. The bird makes. I am such a dumb boy. I don't even know what the sound which a bird makes because it's not processing in my mind. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Maybe it's ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Come to me, the psychopath. Oh, hell no. No. There. I'm gonna take my grenade. Meow. Actually, I played some. Oh. Speed up. Speed up. Yeah, I know. Not a good idea. Not the psycho. I did this quest already. Why didn't they Didn't they save it? I am so dead. Oh my. Hi, Ulna. No. Because of the quest. Why do I gotta stay like this? Why did I leave me? But why? But just why? But why? Make all these people leave. Until then, I'll sit over here. Make her? Hell no. Wait, they can see me? What are you protesting about? Oh no. Oh no! Wait, I can fly? Wait, I can't control it though. Ah. I'm just kidding, guys. I actually want to be the YouTuber Glitch. He must be so cool. He must have a really cool house. No. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. You guys thought I would stop over there? Of course. Where is he? Yeah, what the hell? Let me fly on top of the pigeon and then.
He's gone. Break contact.
Oh no, oh hell no. Oh. Oh no, now I just
Do you want to go back to your naughty school days?
Help, anyway, help.
No bird. No search protocol. You won't believe People have just arrived in a sandbox in space.
Ah. I gotta run. Help, help. Guys, help. Guys, please, if you are in the game, would you? Cool it. Stand easy. I literally pooped on the statue 5 times. And bro's like, no. Guys, if you wanna see more games like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Stop the cat! Forever. I open the statue 1 time and then I'm done. I can go to my house. Actually, I gotta hide first, then I can go. Can't I go fast? No. Ow. Stop.
All units, reset search.
Oh my god. At least I got 2k. At least I got 2k Mona. But chill. My first 2 games in a video. Yeah, really. First 2 games in a video. Time to practice flying. I already flied like 10 times. Meow. Meow. Oh, not this. Sorry guys, I have great reflexes. Yeah, it's too easy. That is so easy, guys, but you know my rule. No ads. What do you mean fight for a container? Whatever I saying. What do I'm literally already fine. This is super easy. Just wait. I barely even fly through a container and was like, happy birthday to you. Come to me, let's see where does it go this. Natalie, just shut up and give me my stupid thing. There's still bowling stuff. Knock down the pins. Where do I knock the pins? Poop. Poop. Oh no. Yes. No. It's like the book. Oh no. That's a bit close. I never knew that I was a good flyer. Oh, is. Yeah, that was literally in one try. That was so easy. No, the rapper, oh, the dumb rapper. Rapper, bro, so dumb. Boom, 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 boom. Huh? Pop the balloons. I totally did a poop on him, didn't I? Oh no, hell no. Pop on. Just Mau, mau.
Okay, hide and seek shit.
Nya, 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 nya. Oh. Oh yeah, what? Yeah. Why? I am so cooked. There's one person right in front of me. Please.
This pigeon's magician.
Oh.
That's enough. Almost there.
No. Ow. Oh. Guys, I am actually gonna post the tiny salt when I escape the escape. I am monkey. Then I'm going to restart the game and all my progress. So I'm gonna make a tiny salt. Okay. So please, guys, subscribe. No. Subscribe. Please, guys, I beg you. I only have 6 subscribers. Want to subscribe for content? No, for. Ew. No. I swear, guys, please subscribe for a small content creator. Everybody ignore small content creators. Probably one day I'll blow up and you guys won't be in it. So if you wanna be in the OG team, then subscribe and comment OG. Okay? Do good that. Ooh, I got money. Cha. I got the money. Money. Ooh. to good. I just swear I've done these. Not the mafia, not him again, because he's the most boringest person. I swear, guys, if you play this, you will get quest 3 times from the same rivals, dress, those garbage bags in the dumpster. Why do we have to do the fun stuff and everybody hates us? Now let me toss it in the dumpster. Let me toss it in the dumpster.
Easy now.
I'll toss it in the dumpster. I'll just toss it in the dumpster. Oh, this is the dumpster. Die. Toss it in the dumpster. Why do I have to do every single thing over? Yeah. One. Oh my god. Guys, whoever hates ads, they're literally on my team. I swear, everybody hates ads and sends you to promote them. We can't do nothing. No. How do I? So guys, this is the end of the video. The entire video. Okay, this is no crime, guys. I swear this is the end of the video. After I do. Okay. So this is the end of the video. Bye guys, and please don't forget to subscribe. I need a new VR set, or at least a PlayStation, So wait, just go back. At least a PlayStation or anything will work. Even the smallest video device thing, yeah, I don't care, anything will work. Just please subscribe, guys. Please, guys, subscribe. So don't forget to subscribe, and please at least watch this video. I don't care if you guys don't subscribe or anything, just watch this video. And so bye guys.